Welcome. This is a quick 5-minute yoga class that you can do right at home. This is a no talking video, so feel free to freestyle, do any stretches that you'd like. I get asked to do no talking videos often, so I finally made one. Really just connect with the body and do what feels right today, or you can look at the screen and follow what I'm doing. Respect your limits, listen to the body, and do what feels right. I will be posting the same video with instructions, so feel free to click at the top corner. Once it's posted, I will link it right there. Let's begin.
Some people talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in this light, your silhouette over me. The way it brings out the blue in your eyes is the Tenerife sea. And all of the voices surrounding us here, they just fade out when you take a breath. Just say the word and now we'll disappear into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment I knew you better. She is the sweetest thing that I know. Should see the way she holds me when the lights go low. Shakes my soul like a pothole every time. I took my heart upon a one-way trip. Guess she went wandering off with it. And unlike most women I know, this one will bring it back home. Daisies, daisies, perched upon your forehead. Oh my baby, lately I know that every night I'll kiss you, you'll say in my ear, oh, we're in love, aren't we? Hands in your hair, fingers and thumbs, baby. I feel safe when you're holding me near. I love the way that you conquer your fear. You know hearts don't break around here. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. She is the river flowing Norwell, and tin wind chimes used for doorbells at fields and trees, and her smell fill my lungs. Spend my summertime beside her, and the rest of the year the same. She is the flint that sparks the lighter, and the fuel that will hold the flame. Oh, roses, roses laid upon your bedspread. Oh, my, hold this, I know that every night I'll kiss you, you'll say in my ear, oh, we're in love, aren't we? Hands in your hair, fingers and thumbs, baby. I feel safe when you're holding me near.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.